Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to fix the issue of black screen while sharing the screen in Discord server. First, you need to open the Discord. After opening the Discord, you have to go to the user settings. Click on user settings. You have to come to scroll down. Then you have to come to app settings where you have to go to voice and video. Click on voice and video and then go to the video setting. From here, click on video, scroll down a bit, and you have to go to this option where in advanced you can see the open H264. You have to make sure that this is enabled, and also make sure that this one, use our advanced technology to capture your screen, is also enabled. After doing this, press escape and close the Discord, and again try to do so if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is fixed, then please like and share our video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.